Hey everyone, welcome back.
So glad to see you all again.
We have an interesting topic today.
It's something many students ponder.
Should students work part-time jobs?
That's a great question.
Let's dive right into it then.
Absolutely. Where do we begin?
What are the main benefits of working?
Working brings many good things.
Can you give us some examples?
Money is a big motivator, of course.
Yes, earning money is very useful.
It helps students gain independence.
Independence is a key advantage.
They learn to manage their own finances.
Financial management is crucial.
It teaches budgeting and saving.
So, practical money skills develop.
Exactly. And what else?
What other benefits exist?
Work experience is very valuable.
Experience for future careers.
Yes, it looks good on a resume.
A strong resume opens many doors.
It shows responsibility to employers.
Responsibility is a valued trait.
Employers see that potential.
So, it helps with job prospects.
Definitely. What about skills?
What kind of skills are learned?
Communication skills improve a lot.
Talking to different people is good.
You learn to interact professionally.
Professional interaction is important.
Teamwork is another big skill.
Working with colleagues builds teamwork.
You collaborate towards common goals.
Goals are achieved together.
Problem-solving abilities grow too.
Facing challenges makes you stronger.
You find solutions to everyday issues.
That's very practical.
And time management skills develop.
Balancing work and studies is hard.
It forces you to be organized.
Organization is essential for success.
You prioritize tasks effectively.
Prioritization saves valuable time.
It helps you meet deadlines easily.
Deadlines are important in life.
What about personal growth?
How does it foster personal growth?
It builds confidence and self-esteem.
Feeling good about yourself matters.
You achieve things on your own merit.
Earning your own success is rewarding.
It also exposes you to the real world.
The world outside of school is different.
You see how businesses operate.
Understanding business is insightful.
You gain a broader perspective.
Perspective helps in decision-making.
It prepares you for adult responsibilities.
Adult life has many responsibilities.
So the benefits are quite numerous.
It seems like a lot of positives.
But are there any downsides?
That's a crucial question.
What are the potential drawbacks?
The biggest concern is study time.
Yes, academic performance can suffer.
If you're too tired, focus is hard.
Students might feel overwhelmed.
Overwhelm leads to stress and burnout.
Burnout is a serious issue.
It can negatively impact mental health.
And physical health can also be affected.
Lack of sleep is a common problem.
This affects concentration in class.
So, grades might go down significantly.
Social life could also be impacted.
Less time for friends and family.
Important relationships need time.
Missing out on social events stinks.
There's also the issue of exhaustion.
Being constantly tired is draining.
It leaves little energy for anything.
Not even hobbies or relaxation.
Some jobs can be very demanding.
Demanding jobs add more pressure.
This could lead to a loss of motivation.
Motivation is key to studying.
What about the type of job?
Does the job type matter?
Absolutely. Poorly chosen job hurts.
A job that's too difficult could be bad.
Or one with a bad work environment.
A toxic workplace is harmful.
It adds unnecessary stress and anxiety.
Anxiety makes learning very difficult.
So careful consideration is needed.
How can students find a balance?
Planning is absolutely essential.
How should they plan?
Assess your academic workload first.
Understand your study commitments.
Then consider your energy levels.
Be realistic about your capacity.
Choose a job with flexible hours.
Flexibility is a huge advantage.
Look for part-time roles that fit.
Roles that don't overwhelm you.
Discuss your availability openly.
Be honest with potential employers.
And communicate with your school too.
Let teachers know your situation.
They might offer support or advice.
Support from teachers is valuable.
Regular check-ins are important.
Check how you're feeling often.
Listen to your body and mind.
Don't push yourself too hard.
It's okay to reduce hours sometimes.
Adjusting your work is fine.
Or even taking a break if needed.
Breaks are important for recovery.
What if a student needs money badly?
That's a tough situation.
Financial need is a strong driver.
But health should remain a priority.
Seek support from family or school.
University resources can help too.
Explore scholarships and bursaries.
Financial aid can ease the burden.
Think about the long-term impact.
Will this job hinder future goals?
Is the work relevant to your studies?
Relevance makes the job more worthwhile.
It can be an investment in your future.
Investing in your future pays off.
What advice would you give students?
Be honest with yourself about time.
Don't overcommit to work.
Prioritize your education always.
Choose jobs that offer growth.
Look for supportive employers.
Communicate your needs clearly.
Seek help when you feel overwhelmed.
Remember your well-being is key.
It's a balancing act, truly.
Part-time job can be great,
But it needs careful planning.
make informed decisions always.
We hope this helps you decide.
Thanks for joining us today.
See you in the next video.
Keep practicing your English speaking.
Bye for now, everyone.
Take care and stay curious.
We wish you all the best.
Keep learning and growing always.
Until next time, stay motivated.
Practice makes perfect, remember.
You've got this, truly.
We believe in your potential.
Keep up the great work, students.
Explore opportunities wisely.
Your future is bright ahead.
Make choices that serve you well.
Good luck with your decisions.
We're here to support your journey.
Stay tuned for more great content.
We love hearing from you all.
Let us know your thoughts below.
Your feedback helps us improve.
Thank you for watching today.
We appreciate your support greatly.
Happy learning and speaking, everyone.
Until our next conversation.